This 2019 Winnebago Minnie Drop 190BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, carbon monoxide detector, TV, smoke detector, leveling jacks, water heater, slide-out, skylight, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Winnebago Minnie Drop 190BH is 3,160 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.